Hello students, let's learn today the addition on 3-digit numbers. So we have here the addition of 3-digit number with a single digit, that is 1-digit number. So addition of 1 digit or a 2-digit number to a 3-digit number, let's learn. So here you can see we have the 2-digit number. So next you will learn more about to add again more about the 3-digit number also. So let's start the addition. Addition of a 3-digit number with 1-digit number. So here let's see the ones place. We have number 3 and number 8 at the ones place. So as you have learned, first we should add the ones place, then we should move to the tens place, and next we should come to the hundreds place. So as you know this rule, let us start. Draw 3 lines, draw 8 lines. Now count all the lines which are at the ones place. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many lines do we have at the ones place? We have 11 lines. Carry 1 at the tens place and write your 1. Why did we carry? Because 11 is a 2-digit number and we are not supposed to write 11 here in the ones place. So what we need to do? Carry 1 which is at the tens place 1, carry to the tens place and keep 1 at the ones place. Now let's add these two numbers, that is 1 and 9 which are at the tens place. So let's draw a line here, 1 line and 9 lines. Okay, there is a less space in your book. You can't draw the line here, okay, in your books I mean to say. So what you can do, you can use a separate worksheet and you can just draw the lines and count the lines on the worksheet. If you draw here, it will look very untidy in your book. Okay, so what you do, you take the help of the worksheet and you draw the lines. So now here you just add the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lines do we have? We have 10 lines. Carry 1 here, write 0 here. Okay. Next, let us come to the hundreds place. Draw your 1 line, draw your 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. What do you need to do now? Count the lines at the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lines do we have? 8. So answer is 801. So we have added 793 with 8. So what is the answer we got? We got 801. Children, please try using your fingers. Okay? Let's use our fingers and check whether this addition is correct. So what we'll do? We'll take 8 fingers. Okay? Then after 3 you need to say continue the number 4. Always remember, do not open your 3 fingers. Take out your 8 fingers which is at the number at the base 8. So 8. Okay. After 3 continue 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So see 11. And 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. Take your one finger and say 10. 7 plus 1. 8. See 801. So as I said you can take a worksheet like this, okay, and you can draw the lines on the worksheet like 9 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 line at the top 1. So like this you can count the lines and after you get the answer 10 lines you can just write down here. So if you write and draw the lines here it may look untidy. Take the help of the worksheet. So let's move to the next one. So ones place we have 7 and 7. So what we'll do? Draw 7 lines. Here 7 lines. Okay, draw very neatly. Okay, so let us count the lines at the ones place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry a 1, write here 4. Now count the numbers at the tens place. We have 1 and 7. So 7 mean after 7 take one finger and say 8. It's easy to count with the help of the finger. So 7 afterwards take one finger and just drop it and say 8. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now, here there is a circle given in a hundreds place. If the number was 18, you could have carried a 1. But the number what you got in the tens place is only 8. Okay, or you can say 0, 8. So, there is a no number in the circle. You cannot write any number at the hundreds place. You can put here 0 or else you can just cross this circle. Why do you cross this circle? Because you will understand there is no number in the carry number and the tens place. So you can just cross this circle. Now next, now what we have in the hundreds place, we have 5. So write only 5, that is 584. Did you understand this? What did I do? I just added 7 plus 7 and I got 14. Carry 1 and write here 4. Then what did I do? I added the tens place. That is 7 with 1. 7, take one finger, that is 8. So I have written 8. There is no number in the circle. So I put cross mark in the circle. Otherwise what you can write? You can write 0 in that circle. Don't write any of the number. So we have 5 and 5. Okay? Did you understand this? So let's move to the next one. So 9 with 5. Draw 9 lines. Draw 5 lines. Now what do you need to do? Count all the lines at the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, how much we got, children? We got the number 14. First carry 1 and write here 4. Fine? Yes. Now move to the tens place. Age, take 1 and say 9. Tell the after number of 8, it is 9. Okay? Is there any number in the carry circle? No. Put a cross mark and say 1, 2, 3, 4 means it is only 4. That is 494. Let's move to the next one. Here 8, draw 8 lines. Number 9, draw 9 lines. What do you need to do now, children? Very good. We need to count all the lines at the ones place. Count, children, with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, how much did we get? 17. Carry 1, write here number 7. Fine? Okay. Now let's move to the tens place. So what numbers can you see in the tens place? There is 1 in the circle and 0. So draw 1 line and 0 means do not draw any lines. So if you have 1, your answer will be only 1. Okay, if you had any number here, then you could have added that number. So as you do not have any number and here it is 0, whatever number is in the circle, same number you can write down. So here what we have now? Nothing. Yes or no? Only 9 is present. So our answer is 917. Let's move to the next one. Ones, tens and the hundreds. 303 plus 9. Draw 3 lines. Draw 9 lines. Count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1, write here 2. Very good. Next come to the tens place. As I said you, we have only 1 here and the below number is 0. So we do not have any number there. So write the number 1 down. No number, no children. So what we need to write? Only 3. 312. Did you follow this single digit addition, one digit addition? Okay. If you have well understood it, let's move to the 2 digit. So 3 digit with the 2 digit addition. Here we have in the ones place 9 and 0. Draw 9 lines. 0 means do not draw any lines. 9 plus 0, what will be the answer? 9 itself. Very good. So, there is no number in the carry circle. So, put X mark, cross mark. Next, in the tens place, we have 4 and 9. So, let's use our fingers to count. Yes, surely we'll use our fingers now. 4 with 9. So, how many fingers do you need to open, children? Always I said, you should open the number which is at the which is at the bottom. So which number is at the bottom here? 9 is at the bottom. So open your 9 fingers. So after 4, what you should say? So 4 afterwards you need to count. 4 afterwards 9 fingers, say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Children, how much did we get? 13. So carry 1, write here 3. Please carry the number to the hundreds place. Some of them make a major mistake. So they do not put X here. And what they do? 9 plus 4. Here 1 and here 3 you write. That is completely wrong. You cannot carry the number in the same place. Now if you got 9 plus 4 is 13. You cannot write 1, carry 1 in this place itself. You should always carry it to the next place. Remember this. So here we have 7 with 1. 7 afterwards 1, say 8. 839. Did you understand? I hope so you have understood it very clearly. So let's move to the next one. And we have here 1 and 4. Count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here tens place we have 9 and 8. So what do you need to do? Let's use our fingers. Fine. Okay, 9 and 8 we need to count. But what is in the carry circle? Nothing. No children. So we put X mark there. So let's count 9 with 8. Open your 8 fingers. Okay. So 9 afterwards you need to say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we got 1 here, 7 here. 3 plus 1 is what? 3 plus 1? 4. So 475. Okay. Next we will move 5. 8 and 2. Count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry 1. Write a 0. Fine. Okay. Now 3 numbers at the tens place. Observe carefully. We have 1, 4 and 7. So let's count all the numbers. Now what we'll do? We'll use our fingers? Fine. We'll use our fingers. Now if how to count, remember. First you open the finger 1. And after that you count 7. Okay. Let's have a method here. First let us count the carry circle. Then we count the number which is at the bottom. Fine. So 4 afterwards take one finger and say 5. Now remember 4 afterwards what did you say? 5. So 5 then 7 fingers you open. Okay, 4, 5 over 5 after that 7 fingers you open, say 5 afterwards what? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you get understood how did I get 12? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. First I open one finger, then I opened 7 fingers and I continued the number. So I got 12. Did you understand? Fine. Next let us move to the hundreds place. 4 afterwards say one finger and say 5. Very good. It is 520. Let's move here. We have 769 with 45. Let's count, okay? 9 lines and here 5 lines. Count all the lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 children. Yes? Fine. Count at the hundreds, tens place. 6 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, just to take your one finger and say 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 afterwards, what you should do? 4 fingers, no? 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now 7 plus 1 is what? 8. Our answer is 814. Next. 9 lines, okay? Again 9 lines, fine. Now count all the lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Carry 1, 8. Now, how to count the tens place? Say 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 7 is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So our answer is what? 1018. That is 1018. Very good. Let's move to the next one. 6 lines, 4 lines. Count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lines do we have? Carry 1 and write 0. Then we have 10 lines. Next 5, 6, 7. Yes or no? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. And here there is no number. So write only 4. 470. Let's move to the next one. We'll use some fingers, okay? So that you will understand more, okay? 9 with 2. 9, 10 and 11. 6 plus 1 what? 7. No children, 7 plus 2? 8 and 9. Here nothing. So what we need to do? 391, okay? So from page number 33. So homework I will give, maths homework. What is maths homework? Page number 33, solve all sums, okay? Solve all the sums. Children, whatever we solved today, please copy them in your notebook. Even write in your textbook. Okay? Copy them in your notebook. Even write in your textbook. And also you can do the homework sums also in your notebook. Okay? And let us check the answers once again. So copy in your notebook. Write in your textbook also. Fine, and do your homework properly. So page number 33, all the sums are your homework. Few I have solved and rest others few sums are your homework. Thank you.